ready.
Santa ate the cookies. How many did we have there?
2.
He was hungry. Here, did the reindeer eat their food?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Riley, who came to visit us? Santa? And what did he bring us? A cough?
Presents.
Do you bring us some presents?
That's my present.
That for you?
What did you bring her,
Riley
Ray?
from Santa. He brought you a snow shovel.
Your very own shovel?
I can give a dog. A second.
Pull it.
Casey, what do you think about all this?
It's Casey's first Christmas.
Yep.
I can give a dog.
Casey, did you hear Santa last
I
night?
wonder if Casey saw Santa because he was sleeping right here.
Did you hear
Oh,
Santa?
ask him. Do you think he saw him?
Well, just open something.
You want me to open it?
Mom, did you hear Santa?
Mommy got beat up last night.
By Christmas time?
Come here, Ryan.